Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I have yet another gift from FTX 2021 from Razorpay. Like I thought कि मेरे को एक ही gift आएगा, that big box that I have unboxed 2 to 3 days ago. Okay, I didn't knew about it. Like ये भी कुछ आने वाला है. अभी मेरे को पता नहीं कि इसके अंदर क्या है. Fragile word was written over it, so let's unbox it. And I don't think I have to give you a top down view of it, because it's good, right? Or let me see. Okay, so now my setup is pretty much okay, and you can see what it is. Okay, so let's just unbox it. Okay, let's call it those tips. And I have to say they have packed it well, like great gift wrapping. How cute looking it is, right? Like all of their like razor pay branding and all. Not cute, but it's like cool and all. So let's see what it is. अभी पीछे से तो कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. So let's unbox it from here as well. Like, cut those tips. दिया क्या है इसमें? ओके, ये तो पूरा का पूरा लगाया हुआ है. अरे मेरे को फाड़ना नहीं था. Oh, this is the Instax camera. आई थॉट कि ये तो सिर्फ थर्ड जो होने वाला है उसको मिल रहा है. आई डिडंट न्यू दैट दे गोना गिव इट एवरीवन. Oh, as you can see, it's a Instax camera. Yeah, it is. Wow. Now that's a great surprise. I will just flip the video. Okay. So you can see it over here. Let's just unbox it. Okay. So we get this. Let's just. Where should I cut it? Here or there? What? In which direction? Whatever. Let's just cut it. Wait. It's not cutting. This. अरे ये क्या ही कर रहे हो? Tear it down. Let's. Okay. हो गया. Now you're gonna see what you can get in Instax camera. So Instax camera के भी an unboxing हो गया. But whatever. All written in Japanese that I don't understand. Wow. Whatever. Just unbox it carefully. Here we have the camera itself. Then some instruction manual. Too many instruction manual. Double A batteries. And what it is? Wait, let me see what it is. Okay. But I don't know which model it is. Like इसके लिए कौन सा वाला पेपर खरीदना पड़ेगा वो भी तो देखना पड़ेगा ना. So here, oh, here is the warranty card. Here they have given us a sticker as well. So that's also great. And here a string for it. Okay, so let's get straight to the camera itself. And what it is, I don't know what it is. There should be something mentioned in the manual about it. Okay, this is the close-up lens attachment. Wow, they have taken care of a lots of things then. Okay. Whoa, this is the first time I'm like touching any Instax camera, because I haven't have anything before, like Instax and all. I don't know how to use it, to be honest. I have to learn all of it. Now here is the camera. That's it. Because I don't don't know anything else about it, so I can't tell you how to use it or shoot anything with it. That's totally something that I can't do, because that's not in my knowledge. So yeah, maybe I will post some of the pictures in the social medias. Follow me in the social medias for that. Follow my personal account. I'm not gonna post anything in my professional accounts for that. So that's it. That's it for this video. Okay, wait. I should like I have to obviously record the outro. Let's just stop it here. Okay, bye. So yeah, bye for now because there's nothing much about it. I don't know how to use it. I have to use it and then tell you. That's it. That's it for this video. If you like my channel in general, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about no, what you should know about, like if you know about some of the great programs they who provides like such gifts, please let me know about all of them so I can participate on them. And that's it for this video. So bye for now.